Greetings. Welcome to Elluminate Live VRoom version 10. My name is Francine Adams, and I will be demonstrating Elluminate Live VRoom. The objective of this lesson is to enable the novice to navigate in a live Elluminate session and to communicate with others in the Elluminate VRoom. In order to complete this lesson, you will need to register and download your own free version of Elluminate Live VRoom. You will need a microphone with a headset for best results. You can also use your speakers, but that tends to lend a lot of feedback to your session. And you will also need to have Microsoft Word open on the desktop during your lesson. Before you begin your lesson, let's walk through a demonstration in my VRoom. Each time you open Elluminate's VRoom, a Java application will download onto your desktop. You will need to click Run in order to open VRoom. The Java application initiates the modules which are available to you in VRoom. When you open your VRoom, you will see your name and your role, moderator, appear in the top left window. Other guests in the VRoom will also appear listed in this section. The first feature that we will want to demonstrate in the VRoom is the microphone. Click the microphone, which will turn yellow to indicate it is active. To confirm the audio is working, speak into it, state your name and your occupation. Then check to make sure the sound meter is active, which will be indicated by fluctuating between green and yellow. Only one person can use the microphone at a time. To release the microphone so someone else can speak, click it once more and it turns gray and the head of the microphone drops. Next, we're going to look at the communication tools, one at a time. First, the raise hand icon. Click on the raise hand icon to indicate you would like to speak. VRoom lists the guest by number in the order in which they raise their hands. Next is the smiley face. Click the smiley face once, which indicates you are laughing at something in the room. The smiley face icon appears by your name, flashes a few times, and stops on its own. Next is the applause. Click applause to show appreciation, agreement, or clap at the end of a presentation. Applause will also flash a few times by your name and stop on its own. Clicking the frown will let the moderator know you didn't understand something or it was not clear. The frown will flash a few times also and stop on its own. Last is thumbs down. Clicking the thumbs down indicates you disapprove of something or you disagree with something in the room. Thumbs down will also flash a few times and stop on its own. The next feature is desktop sharing. Click on Microsoft Word and Elluminate will notify you are sharing your desktop. You can use Word just as you would normally. Let's type a line of text in Word just to see for ourselves. When we're done, simply close Word by clicking the Close Document X on the top right, the same as you would normally. Elluminate will notify you are no longer sharing the desktop. And the next feature is the chat window. The chat is at the very bottom left, just above the microphone. Once you click Send, your text jumps up into the chat window and everyone in the VRoom can read it. Or there is a way to chat privately to one or two persons, but that will not be covered in this lesson. You can save the chat session by going to the top menu when finished, click File, Save, select chat conversation and save it to a favorite location. Let's call this file eTest and save it to the desktop. Elluminate likes for you to add the extension .txt, so you may be prompted to do so if you did not add it. That's all for the Elluminate demonstration, and next you are going to complete a hands-on Elluminate lesson in your own free VRoom.